So we know that the military owns the program and the government uses it. Neither of them want to get in trouble for remote neural monitoring. So, it's best to blame a citizen for misusing the program, believing that they could create new laws when new laws are created in our legislative branch. The representatives. We have a representative form of government. We don't have a true democracy. We have what's called a federal republic. And there's a procedure in order to create new laws. So to say that something is the way of the future is just a cover for a citizen committing crime. So here's my plan. I'm going to approach the mayor and I'm going to say, we have a low dose here. And what happened in Columbus could have been attributed to a high dose. But there's a connection to people actually using the program too. And the military has the ability to geolocate the people using it. And because I'm going to be known as one of the forerunners identifying the cause of COVID, because RFK Jr.'s investigation is going to verify a cause of cancer. So it's best to expose my sick captors who have delusions about laws and rights, and to restore order, because that's what they want to do. The military can use the Rydberg sensor, and then it can release it. The government will be happy that nobody actually in government gets in trouble for using the program, and the military can be the heroes. See how nicely that all works out? And the Electromagnetic Festival for my birthday, the 23rd of April, is a superb idea. Because we're going to celebrate here in the Keys, where there's a low dose. And making people understand how important that low dose is for their future is a reason to celebrate here in Marathon. And then to spread the word. To spread the word about my experience. To spread the word about a lot of things. That is all connected to hiding technology that will make our lives better. So it can also be the kickoff for solar panels on the bridges. Because if our federal government's not going to do it, our local government will take action. And it will do the right thing for the people. Because that's what local government does. If the feds aren't interested in doing that, it's fine. There's always more than one way to do something once. So free energy will be my gift to my new hometown, along with my music and a whole city full of new friends. This is a very special place. Environmentally, societally, intellectually, and forward thinking about the future. Because it's going to be bright and sunny with me around. And I'm going to help my community make it that way by educating them. Because that's what I do. Sorry, Columbus. You're really missing the boat. Like two ships in the fog passing in the night.